Welcome in my course, the complete Firebase and Amazon S3 with JavaFX course. Who is this course for? This course for developers who want to produce the highest quality software, developers who want to create a complete pretty JavaFX application, developers who want to build commercial applications, developers who want to design modern and advanced UI, and developers who wanted to learn how to use Firebase and Amazon S3 with JavaFX. All you need to take this course is basic understanding of object-oriented programming in Java and JavaFX. What will you learn in the course project? You will learn how to use Firebase and Amazon S3 storage in this project. You will learn how to make animated login and sign up screen. Sign in. You will create main screen with material designed and Firebase database. You will learn how to make management screens that contains add, delete, edit and search in the Firebase database. Thank you for watching. Bye.